I'm making my meaty ziti with dollops of fresh pesto. To start, I'm browning up a pound of sweet Italian sausage. All right, next I'll add my onion. This is 1 sliced yellow onion. A pinch of salt. I'll give this a stir and get the onion all coated in that sausage fat. And as this continues to soften, I'm gonna chop up some fennel, which is not typical of the ziti, but because the sausage has fennel in it, this will just kind of echo that flavor. I'll toss this into my brazier. Okay, as my veggies finish up softening, I'll add a little more salt and some crushed red pepper and get that toasting. This smells heavenly already. Now there are a lot of bits stuck to the bottom of my pan. Those harness so much flavor. So I'm gonna loosen them up by pouring in a ½ cup of red wine.
This is called deglazing if you want to get fancy.
So as this gets down to the bottom of the pot, I'm gonna use my spoon to scrape up those bits stuck to the bottom. And those will just infuse even more flavor. I'm gonna let this wine cook off and reduce by about half. All right, I've got 1 big can of whole peeled tomatoes that I'll add to my mixture, and I'll do it with my hands so that I can break them up. All right, I'll pour in the juices as well. And I'll make it a little saucier with some added tomato sauce too. And a little water. Okay, I'll stir it to bring everything together. I'll bring this to a simmer and then let it cook until it's thick and flavorful. That is a thick sauce. Those flavors are gonna be super concentrated. I've got a pound of ziti cooking in heavily salted water. I'm gonna transfer it directly from the pot to the sauce. Hello. Look at all these nudes. I'm gonna fold these in now. Okay, this is just about completely combined. I'm gonna continue to fold it as I fold in, not 1, not 2, but 3 kinds of cheese. I've got some shredded mozzarella for meltiness. This is 2 cups. I'm gonna add about half right now so that I can mingle with the pasta. Just make it even richer than it already is with the sausage.
And then some fresh mozzarella for creaminess.
And leave it in some bigger chunks so that you get little pools of cheese. And lastly, some Parmesan, which brings saltiness to the party. Sprinkle in about 1/4 cup. And then I'm reserving these cheeses to add more on top as well, so that they can get brown and crusty on the top. Oh my gosh, that mozzarella is already getting melty.
I'll finish off my ziti with a little more parm, shredded mozzarella, and big tears of the fresh stuff too.
Okay, this is ready to bake. I'll stick it in at 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's bubbly around the edges and splotchy on top. Okay, it's ziti time. It smells insane in here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at all those crispy noodles standing up in those pools of cheese. Somehow this is gonna get better, and it's because of the pesto dollops. Black pepper, and what the heck, more Parmesan. I cannot physically stand over this without eating some immediately. Oh, this is cheese pull. Hello. Oh. The brightness of the pesto cuts the richness of everything else so perfectly. This is so good. It should be illegal.